Pero, kamusta na?
Ayos lang din. Anong pinag-aabalan mo ngayon?
Wala pa rin, tambay pa rin eh. Wala pa rin mahanap na matinong trabaho.
Pare, may halo ako sa iyo.
Ano na yun pare?
Magugustuhan mo rin pare.
Ano na yun pare? Wala akong idea kung ano yan eh.
Shabu pare.
Kasi pare, ayoko. Hindi pa ako desidong tumikim na yan.
Pare, subukan mo lang.
Ayoko pare.
Pare, hindi ako mapapaya sa iyo.
Ayoko pare, lalo na't wala pa akong trabaho, tambay lang ako. Ayoko subukan
Papayita
yan.
ko sa iyo. Subukan mo lang. Pare, oh. Pare, subukan mo rin. Maganda ang sa katawan pare. Hindi ako mapapaya sa iyo. Subukan mo lang pare. So pare, paglalagay kita pare.
Sige pare,
Subukan mo lang.
basta hindi ako magpapasama dyan
Hindi
pare.
ko mapapasama ka pare. Akong bahala sa'yo. Sagot kita pare. Pare, hawakan mo. Tipitin mo rin pare. Pare, tipitin mo rin pare. Ano pare? Words?
Ayos pare. Ganda nga.
Pare, wag mo pare. Last na pare.
Ura, pare.
Last na pare. Last na pare. Mabibiting ka pare.
Hello pare.
Hello pare.
Nandito na ako, nasa ka naga? Dito sa ating tagpuan dito.
Sige, papunta na ako. Malapit na.
Sige pare, hintayin na lang kita. Hey pare,
Ay pare.
dala mo ka.
Dala ko pare.
Tayo na mo pare. Ayos nga pare. Si pare, re. Bahala ka na dyan. Ano pare?
Okay na to pare.
Ano pare? Thank you. Ingat ka pare. Oo ba?
Pare.
ginagawa mo dyan?
Wala na, may hinahanap lang ako. Hello pare. Basta. Nasa ka ga? Pare, baka meron ka dyan. Ah, sige pare. Ako pare, kailangan ko lang. Ah, dito lang ako pare sa dati nating tambayan. Sige pare, hintayin na lang kita dito. Sige pare, ingat.
Ay pare,
Kamusta?
kamusta?
Ayos lang pare. Pare, babagyan mo na ako dyan.
Magkano
Kailangan ko
pare?
lang pare. Ito lang pare.
Pare, mag-iingat ka. May
Oh, pare.
naiingat na pulis.
Oh pare, thank you. May ako
Ah,
timbre na
magkahuli
sa'yo
yan.
pare. Oh pare.
Timbre lang yun sa akin
Oh
pare.
pare. Ingat pare, thank you.
Lawrence? Anak? Ano yan? Ano yan? Itigil mo yan. Itigil mo yan. Ikakasira ng buhay mo yan.
Sige pare, tuloy mo lang yan. Ayos yan. Siyempre, marami pa tayong panlagay dito. Tuloy nyo lang yan. Akong bahala. Pare, ikaw naman. Pre, ikaw naman. Subukan mo din yan. Bus mo na yan, pre. Ayos ba? Mga pre? Ayos.
Shot!
Oh. Ano na? Lagi dyan sa baba! Uy, pa! Daba! Hoy, tigil! Tigil! Hello, pare! Nasaan ka?
Oh, hello pare.
Na-raid kami, nakatakas ako.
Siya, nasan ka ngayon?
Baka pwede akong tumuloy dyan sa inyo, papalamig lang muna ako. Punta mo lang ako dito pare. Sige pare.
Gege, huwag kang alis dyan. Pupuntahan kita. Huwag kang alis. Oh, pangina. Baka kulitan ka nito. Pare, ayaw humadamay dito.
This presentation will discuss the procedures of crime scene processing. Upon arrival at the crime scene, protection of the crime scene, markings, photographs, collection of physical evidences, and release of the crime scene. Importance of crime scene processing. By conducting a systematic examination of these areas, crime scene investigators uncover the physical evidence to help identify what happened and who was involved. This process must be conducted carefully and thoroughly to ensure that crucial evidence is collected and fragile evidence is not destroyed in the process. Scene of the crime operative. A case of homicide. Arrival of the first responder. The first responder checks victim's condition, survey the scene, and take notes about gathered information. The first responder shall be responsible for the control of the crime scene. First responder informs the SOCO team to investigate further. Arrival of the SOCO team. Scene of the crime operation team. It is a forensic evidence response team engaged in the evidence collection process. They are the only persons allowed to enter the crime scene to prevent destruction, alteration, or contamination of evidence. The SOCO team is composed of team leader, photographer, sketcher or recorder, evidence collector, evidence custodian, medico-legal officer, and fingerprint examiner. The team leader coordinates with the first responder. The team leader is also responsible for recording and taking notes of the time and date of the arrival at the crime scene, condition of weather, direction of the wind, and writing down information gathered from the first responder. The team leader approaches the victim and conducts a walkthrough at the crime scene. The team leader conducts a briefing for the whole team. The SOCO team protects the area by cordoning off the crime scene. Note: the purpose of the cordon is to provide a highly visible barrier and protect the scene against potential damage and contamination. The team leader asks for the presence of the first responder to join the conduct of the search. Before entering the crime scene, the photographer photographs the whole crime scene for the general view. Proceed to the crime scene search. The team uses the strip search method in searching. They proceed slowly and at the same time pace long paths parallel to one side of the rectangle. While searching, the team put markings beside the evidence found and the photographer photographs it. The team also searches outside the cordon area to look for possible evidence. Note: the letter is for the cadaver and the numbers are for other physical evidence. Case number, date and time are also indicated. There is a scale to measure the size of physical evidence. The crime scene photographer photographs the whole crime scene and the physical evidence they have found in general view, mid-range view, and close-up view. The sketcher measures the cadaver from the point of origin, which is non-movable object. He also measures the distance of the physical evidence from the cadaver. The sketcher is also responsible to sketch the rough sketch of the crime scene. Note: there are types of measurements in measuring cadaver and physical evidence. The crime scene sketcher uses triangulation method. Collection of evidence. The evidence collector collects the physical evidence and put it in a sealed container. Note: before collecting the firearm used, make sure that it is unloaded and safe. The blood samples shall be swabbed using a cotton buds and put it in a sealed container. The collected evidence, such as bullets, should not be put together in one sealed container because there are instances that it can be tampered. The evidence collector tags and puts labels on evidence by placing her initials, the date and time of discovery of the physical evidence for proper identification, before putting it inside the evidence box. The fingerprint examiner collects the fingerprint of the victim. Reminder: in taking the rolled impression, technician should place first the right thumb to be rolled towards the body of the subject, while the other fingers not in use is either pulled or closed. Then, ink the remaining fingers and roll it away from the body of the subject. Same should be done in the left hand only, that the technician will turn to the right of the subject. Crime scene photographer photographs the whole process of investigation. The SOCO team conduct final search to make sure that they search the crime scene thoroughly. Finally, the SOCO team releases the crime scene to the owner of vicinity.